In questions 15 to 20, it asks you to graph the line. When you graph the line, the first thing you want to do is to identify my m, which is the slope, and my b, which is the y-intercept. Remember, your slope is the number that's in front of x. Your y-intercept is the number added or subtracted to the back. So my slope is 1/2, and my y-intercept is -1. Before plotting any points, I like to go next to my slope and draw arrows that directs me up and down or left to right. So just as a quick reminder, I'll write that over here. M is equal to rise over run. Rise takes you up and down. Up is positive, down is negative. Run takes you left to right. Left is negative, right is positive. So both my top and bottom number are positive. So since my top number is positive, that makes me go up 1. Since my bottom number is positive, that makes me go right 1. Once you identify your slope and y-intercept, I like to highlight my y-axis. That allows me to be able to plot my first point, which is -1. And then my slope told me to go up 1, right 2. You do not plot the next point until you do both directions. So you go up 1, right 2. You continue to go up 1, right 2 until you cannot go anymore or the graph stops. Once you plot them in one direction, you have to go backwards and plot them in the other direction. So in order to do that, you do the opposite of the slope. So the opposite of up and to the right is down and to the left. So I'm going to go down 1, left 2. So down 1, left 2. Down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points plotted. Okay, take a second and count your points if you need to. And then make sure you use the ruler to connect the dots. Your line should be straight, and you should make sure that you extend it outside both of the sides of the graph. In number 17, my slope is -2. My y-intercept is 5. Now, I told you that you always want to make sure that your slope is a fraction. So if it's not a fraction, you will always put it over 1. Before plotting any points, let's do our directions. So my top number is negative, so I go down 2. My bottom number is positive, so I'm going to go right 1. So first thing you got to do is plot your y-intercept, or plot 5. So I have to go up to 5 and plot my first point. Do not move your pencil, and from there you're going down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. You will go all the way until you cannot go anymore. Down 2, right 1. The opposite of down and to the right is up and to the left. So if I go back to my y-intercept and try going up and to the left, it does not let me because the graph is non-existent. So I can't plot any more points. So I take my ruler, I connect the dots, and my line is straight. For number 19, I need to identify M and B. Now, there's no number in front of X, so you need to make sure that you know that's an imaginary 1. So my M is 1. My y-intercept, there's no number added to the back. So on the back, I could add a +0, and my y-intercept would be 0. Okay? If there's never a number that's in place of your y-intercept, you will always put a 0. Now, my slope is not a fraction, so I'm going to put it over 1. Since the top number is positive, I'm going to go up 1, and the bottom number is positive, so I'm going to go right 1. Plot your y-intercept first, so go to your origin or go to 0 and plot your point, and you go up and to the right. Up and to the right, up and to the right. Continue all the way until you get to the corner. The opposite of up and to the right is down and to the left. So down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, go all the way to the corner. Okay. Once you have all your dots plotted, connect your points, and you should be good.